Hey there, Reino Mundi adventurers. Today we're traveling to the coldest corners of our planet to meet some of the most adorable and tough creatures. Penguins. These flightless birds have conquered some of the most extreme environments on Earth, from the icy Antarctic to the coasts of South Africa. Ready to uncover their secrets? Let's dive in. Penguins, those birds dressed in tuxedos, are an extraordinary group that has captured our imagination for centuries. Although unable to soar through the skies, they've perfected the art of swimming, becoming masters of the underwater realm. Belonging to the family Sphinicidae, penguins comprise a diverse group of 18 species, each with its own unique character and quirks. From the tiny little blue penguin to the impressive emperor penguin, the variety within the penguin world is astonishing. Some species, like the Galapagos penguin, have made the tropical regions their home, demonstrating the remarkable adaptability of these birds. Their bodies, perfectly adapted for aquatic life, are compact and streamlined, allowing them to glide through the water with grace and speed. In the icy wilderness of Antarctica, where the wind cuts like knives and temperatures plummet to unbearable levels, emperor penguins not only survive, but thrive. Their plumage, dense and overlapping, provides an exceptional layer of insulation. Every inch of their body is covered by a multitude of short, stiff feathers, trapping a layer of warm air close to their skin. Beneath this protective layer lies a thick layer of fat, a natural insulator that provides additional warmth. This fat, essential for their survival, is the result of a diet rich in krill and fish. Emperor penguins have also developed a unique social behavior, the formation of massive colonies. During the winter months, thousands of penguins huddle together in a compact group, forming a dense mass that moves and flows like a single organism. This extraordinary example of cooperation and selflessness is a testament to the resilience and indomitable spirit of emperor penguins. While on land they may appear clumsy, underwater penguins transform into true athletes, capable of astonishing feats of speed and agility. Their bodies, perfectly adapted for aquatic life, become hydrodynamic projectiles. Their wings, transformed into short, stiff flippers, have become perfect tools for underwater propulsion. With powerful strokes of their flippers, penguins propel themselves through the water, reaching surprising speeds. Some species, like the Gentoo penguin, can reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. Penguins are also masters of diving, capable of plunging to incredible depths in search of food. The emperor penguin can dive up to 1,640 feet deep, withstanding the crushing pressure of the ocean depths. Their eyes, adapted for underwater vision, allow them to spot their prey even in the dark depths. The life of a penguin is intrinsically linked to the community. From the frigid coasts of Antarctica to the volcanic islands of the Galapagos, these gregarious birds congregate in colonies that can range from a few hundred to hundreds of thousands of individuals. The breeding season marks the beginning of a flurry of activity and a heartwarming display of dedication and parental care. Pair formation, often for life in many species, is a complex process that involves elaborate courtship rituals. Once the pair is established, nest building becomes the top priority. Depending on the species and environment, nests can range from simple depressions in the ground to elaborate structures made of mud and vegetation. In the case of the emperor penguin, the male takes on the task of incubating the single egg, carefully balancing it on his feet. For 2 long months, the male will fast, enduring freezing temperatures and relentless storms, while the female ventures out to sea in search of food. Despite their resilience and adaptability, penguins face an uncertain future. Climate change is drastically altering the marine ecosystems on which penguins depend for survival. The warming of ocean waters is causing a decline in populations of krill and other species that form the base of the food chain. Pollution is also wreaking havoc on penguin populations. Oil spills can have devastating consequences, contaminating penguins' feathers and exposing them to hypothermia. Plastics pose another insidious threat, as penguins mistake small plastic fragments for food. Overfishing is depleting fish populations that penguins rely on for food. Despite these threats, there is hope for penguins, with international efforts underway to mitigate the threats to their survival. The world of penguins is full of surprises and curiosities that challenge our understanding of these unique birds. One of the most remarkable adaptations of penguins to marine life is their ability to drink salt water. Penguins have developed special glands that filter excess salt from their bloodstream, allowing them to drink seawater without becoming dehydrated. Another fascinating characteristic is their loyalty to their mates. Many species of penguins are monogamous, forming pairs that can last a lifetime. Although they may appear clumsy on land, penguins have developed a surprising mode of locomotion, tobogganing. By sliding on their bellies across the snow or ice, penguins can conserve energy and cover long distances quickly. Contrary to popular belief, not all penguins live in cold climates. The Galapagos penguin inhabits the Galapagos Islands, a volcanic archipelago located on the equator. Penguins, those ambassadors of the cold, remind us of the fragility of our planet and the interconnectedness of all life forms. Their survival is intrinsically linked to the health of our oceans, and their fate is in our hands. By supporting organizations working tirelessly to protect them, reducing our carbon footprint, and making conscious choices to reduce pollution, we can all contribute to ensuring a future for these incredible creatures. Penguins have captivated us with their resilience, their grace, and their indomitable spirit. Let us ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at these extraordinary creatures, symbols of the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. Don't forget to subscribe to Reino Mundi for more adventures in the natural world. Until next time, explorers.